beauties, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Aileen, and if you're not new here, welcome back. Thank you so much for watching. So for today's video, as you can see from the title, I'm going to be trying out new Fenty products. I'm kind of late with it, but I wanted to buy these products anyway, so I was like, why not give you guys my opinion? Some of you guys are my shades, so I was like, why not give it a try? So I went to Sephora. I still have everything in the bag. So let me show you guys what we're going to be working with today. Well, I got like two other things here, so let me show you. I got this old hand rinsing dark spot toner, and I've used it like twice. And don't quote me on it because it's only been twice, but I like it already. Like, it didn't break me out, which is a good sign. It didn't burn me or anything, redness, nothing bad. And I do like the way that it made my face look when I woke up the next couple days, the next 2 days. So yeah, but don't go by that. It's only been 2 days. I also got this Dr. Jart water replenishment cotton sheet mask. I love sheet masks and I love Dr. Jart. It's my favorite mask brand, honestly. I just love them. They never break me out, never make me feel no type of way, and always give moisture to my face. So I'm gonna be doing January favorites, so I'll be showing you guys what are like my favorite masks from Dr. Jart. So then, starting with going back into this video, mini little haul, I got the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Setting Powder, and I got it in the color Banana. So I've been dying for a banana setting powder. I just really like that yellow effect, so that's the reason why I really wanted to pick it up. I'm like, why not try it, to be honest. And I also got the Fenty Beauty Uncensored Red Lipstick. Spring is right around the corner, and so is summer. I needed to pick up a really nice red lippy, and everybody says that this is like the best one. We'll see about that. Oh, I almost forgot. I restocked on Kopari because, hello, my lips were super dry. Tell me how. Short story. Tell me how I bought the pack of Kopari. It comes with mini deodorant, coconut oil, coconut face oil, and one of these, a full-size brand. And I still had another one that was missing out a little bit. But I was so desperate, I put both of them in my bag and I lost the new one. Can you believe that? I lost the new one, not the old one. Oh, I was so pissed. But then I also got this Fenty Beauty Concealer Pro Filter Instant Retouch Concealer, and I got it in the shade 240. So with all that being said, let's go ahead and get started. So as you can see, let me open these up. As you can see, I have on foundation, eyeshadow, I did my brows, and I have on the Fenty Beauty Gloss because I seen this video with her global artist Priscilla, and she was saying that this like moisturizes, or like, what's the word? It like conditions your lips. Shade 240. So yeah, she said it like conditions the lips, and then she went in and put liquid lipstick on, so that's what I'm gonna do. So I said, why not condition my lips and not let them look all choppy while I record, because I'm gonna do my eyes first. My under eyes. This packaging is bomb.com. Oh my god. I hope it works out. And then in the box, it also comes with this. Most of the time, the powders it already comes in with it, but a lot of people like to bake, so maybe that's why she didn't include it. Unless this is an extra one. Let's see. Oh yeah, it is an extra one. I wonder why though. You know, I'm gonna lose that. Hopefully I don't need it. Let's take this sticker. Did not want to spend $20-something on the concealer brush, so I am going to be using my beauty blender as always. So let's go ahead and try this out. I'm excited. I really hope it works out. I know that a lot of people like didn't really like it, but I really like this wand. So it's like, so you see that? like, it goes like that. Feels really nice. It's really soft and like mushy. Kind of feels like a beauty blender. So I really like it so far. Like from putting it on, I should have mentioned when I was putting it on, but it feels like really fluffy, like creamy and thick at the same time, and it doesn't feel dry. It did not feel dry, and look at that. I just want to add a little bit more. I feel like with this concealer, you have to go in little by little. And it is thick and it's full coverage, so it makes sense that it's thick. But it feels like fluffy. It doesn't feel heavy. I really like it so far. I just think you can still see like my bags. Maybe the powder will blur that out for me. I feel like you can still see my bags. You see that? Maybe when I look at the video, I'll be able to see if, I mean, I know they already looked like this, but did the concealer like make them stand out more? I really like, though, the color is perfection. I don't know if you guys can see. Maybe if I get a little bit closer. I don't know, I feel like my bags are like more defined. I'll be able to really see if it defined them more when I see the video before, because I can't even remember how I looked, only with foundation. But I do feel like they do look defined. But let's go ahead and jump into the powder. Baking with it a little bit. Maybe that will take it all off. But just like in the front. I'm not really a fan of baking, especially with new powder. And I also won't bake for too long. So I'm just gonna leave this on for like 30 seconds probably. I don't like looking too dry under, and I feel like this color was perfect so far. It looks beautiful on in person and also on camera. The only thing was maybe I feel like it defined my eye bags a little bit more, but in color she did amazing. I feel like the Huda Beauty Coconut Flakes is a little bit too white for me, but then the other ones would be too dark, so I just like try to put a little bit and work with it. But this color was like really brightening and it didn't make me look so white. So I'm just gonna take this powder off and blend it out into the sides where I didn't really bake and just set that up. So I do feel now, you see, this is what I said. I had a feeling that this was gonna happen. The powder now blurred my eye bags. As you can see earlier, you can see my eye bags, and that's really what powders do. They like blur the effect. I know I've seen it a lot with Laura Mercier. So I am really feeling this duo. Alone, I can't say that I will wear it alone. I feel like it made me look older. I feel like my bags were more defined. But together, I could really see the difference. I mean, I have creases under my eyes with or without makeup. You can't like really, that's what they promote. Probably for somebody who doesn't have so many creases, that's what they promote. But I, as a personal person, I'm not ignorant when it comes to like makeup brands, and I'm not, oh my god, it's really gonna change. You know, like, this is skin. You can't, it's skin. God gave us this. You can't really think that something is just magically gonna happen. But I am super satisfied with everything together. So I'm just gonna go ahead and quickly bronze my face, and then we're gonna go into lips. So I'll be right back. No lies, I'm actually so happy I spent my money on these products. But now let's put this red lipstick to test. Now for this, oh my god, I'm such a red lip junkie. That's like the only, I used to wear red and pink lipstick back in the day, but mainly red. So I'm a lipstick junkie. Alright, I cleaned the brush. Yeah, maybe I should. I actually cleaned it out first of all. I don't know if the camera is gonna pick it up, but I cleaned out my wand, and I never dig back in, and I have so much product left, and it looks gorgeous. This is like such a good red. And this applicator, at first people were saying like, oh, you can outline and everything, and I'm like, ooh, this looks like really round. But I didn't even use a lip liner. Look how great my lips look. So I'm just gonna let this dry a little bit. I pray to baby Jesus that I didn't pick up the mirror too much and cover my lips, because when I peeked over a little bit, I had to bring the mirror down. I don't know when I picked it up too much. I really hope I didn't do that throughout the whole time, because I want you guys to see how I applied it. It's drying down. I just want to like test it. So we're just gonna let it dry down. I'm really fucking with this powder though. Look at that. That's crazy. I'm so happy. And I really, like I said, I really wanted a banana powder. So Rihanna is doing the shitness. So now for the real test. Let's see. It's been about a minute, so let's see. Just a little bit. Maybe if you let it dry down for like, what, 5 minutes? You can go and kiss your boyfriend, because this is a liquid lipstick. And she totally took, if I'm not mistaken, Louboutin style, but cheaper, and it's good. So I just noticed that my lipstick was a little bit off, so I went ahead and I outlined a little bit more, because I couldn't really see with the mirror. And you can see on the camera that how everything looked, how it was making my the concealer alone, even though the color is great, the concealer alone was making my bags show up a little bit more. But once I put that powder on, it turned out to look great. It blurred everything out, and The banana shade is perfect for my skin color as well. The lipstick I also love is such a beautiful bluish red color, and I love the applicator, and I also really love the applicator for the concealer. I just, like you saw, I put on little by little, don't like go all over your eye. I had seen a video and it was this guy explaining that you shouldn't cover your whole eye, under eye, with concealer, because then you have no space to blend it out. Like, where are you going to blend it to? It's just concealer getting spread around. So that's exactly why I did little by little as well. So take that into consideration. But also, let me know if you guys have the Fenty Beauty or you're planning on buying it, or what do you think about Fenty Beauty in general in case you have something else. And that concludes this entire video. I hope you like this review. If you do, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, don't leave without subscribing. And I will see you guys all in my next one. Bye!